As I mentioned, when I left corporate America, one of the things that I left to do was this whole kind of bringing women together in community. And so this event and activity is actually right on par with kind of what I want this phase of my life to be about.
So exciting that 85% of heart disease is preventable, but a third of all of our heart disease outcomes are from poor mental health. But so we see, social isolation, anger, depression, anxiety, all of these things really are as impactful on heart disease outcomes as abdominal obesity or smoking.
I just looked at who are the friends that I have that I know are interested in understanding this intersection between mental health and cardiac health.
For me, I feel most completely connected when your work embodies who you are and what you believe in. And when you track this down, not only do we have these disparities by gender, but then they're even deeper when we look at race and ethnicity. They're even worse.
As an African American woman, I'm so used to statistics that suggest women or people of color are behind men or whites. What I hope happens, and I know that it is, because I know the people who are working to make it happen, is that we're going to do something about the statistic, right? So statistics are great if there's going to be a plan of action, so that my children are able to have a statistic that maybe is a little bit better than the one we have today. So I'm not surprised, but I'm also happy to be a part of the solution.
All of this is such a critical conversation to be having, and that really it won't change unless we kind of change the trajectory. And I think as the Heart Institute Foundation and helping lead really closing these gaps, both for women and racial inequity gaps, we won't be successful if we don't talk about what the real issues are and how we are either thriving or barely surviving, particularly now with COVID. So
it means a lot to me, not only that I have the ability to bring friends together at my home and share stories or just talk, because I do think, we're all trying to do the best we can to keep our families and those around us and our community safe. At the same time, I know for me, that connection is important. So to be able to have my friends connect with me and connect with each other live through walks, in someone's backyard, I think is really important for our sanity, for our mental health. I know that my friends have appreciated it and they've reciprocated with, kind of fun get-togethers at their place too.